Welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, and I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Today we have Mr. Satish from Mandapet is ready to share Pure EV customer review with us. My first question to you is why you have chosen Pure EV ePluto 7G. There are so many electric scooters available in the market, right?
Basically, if you see economically, below 1 lakh, you can get the bike ePluto 7G.
Okay.
If you observe Avera Retrosa, that will go up to 1,15,000 or 1,20,000. So I go through the economically. That's why I choose an ePluto 7G only. Why? Because if you observe economically as well as range also, so you can get 120.
Okay.
So even Retrosa, they will give 145. So within 25 kilometers not a matter. That's why I choose an ePluto 7G. So for my daily commute, I have to go 80 kilometers nearly.
Okay.
So up and down.
Okay.
So to my office 40 km. So up and down 80 kilometers it will come.
Okay.
So that's why I choose. Yes, this is enough to us.
Okay.
So that's why I go through the ePluto 7G.
Okay. You have said that your range is about 80 kilometers for up and down, right?
Yes.
So whether the ePluto 7G gives you the 90 kilometer or 120 kilometer range for you now?
Yeah. If you observe the ePluto 7G specifications, they gave us in eco mode, it will give nearly 120, not nearly 120 kilometers range.
Okay.
In city mode, they gave 116 kilometers range, and as well as in sports mode, they gave 90 kilometers range.
Okay.
I have purchased this one 1.5 month back.
Okay.
So in this 1.5 month period, what I observed means, so it is giving nearly 110 kilometers range.
Okay.
That means in eco, sports, when you use these three modes,
Okay.
it will give nearly 110 kilometers range.
So what about the pickup of this electric scooter? It is a high-speed electric scooter and it comes with 1.5 kilowatt motor. The top speed is 60 km per hour. Are you getting 60 km per hour?
Yeah, if you observe manually, that means they may tested without sitting any passenger.
Okay.
So that's why it is showing. If you observe without sitting, if you observe the scooter speed means
With
it will give with not even singles. What
Okay.
I am telling, just if you
Just
observe
ideal condition.
in ideal condition, if you raise the accelerator, so mostly you will get 65 kilometers speed also.
Okay.
But when you are sitting on the bike
Okay.
in a real range,
Okay.
it is giving speed up to 57, 58.
Okay.
Not even 58 also. What I saw means 57 kilometers
Okay.
per hour.
What
That
about
is-
doubles?
Yeah, you can doubles also. You can get nearly 53 to 55 kilometers
53
range.
to 55.
So that means that is basically it will depends on total battery. What we are having.
Okay, you mean how much battery is there?
Yeah.
Okay, the power.
The power consumption as well as speed range also mainly depends on battery power.
Okay.
That means when you have the full of 6 poles,
Okay.
that means 100%
The
charging.
battery indicator with 6.
Yeah, 6 poles. Battery indicator have 6 poles.
Okay.
So each pole giving 20 kilometers range. That is 120.
Okay.
So when you are observing in the 100% charging mode, 100% charging, so there you can observe 57 kilometers per hour.
Okay.
At that speed.
Okay.
So even doubles also you can get 55 kilometers per hour. More than that I didn't get.
Okay.
So within this 1.5 month period.
After you riding for, you said that it will be around how many days you took? It happened 1 month?
1.5 month,
Okay.
45 days.
45 days, what are the drawbacks or what are the positives and negatives you have observed in ePluto 7G?
So first of all, if you see drawbacks, that means negatives. So within the 1 week, I got some drawbacks like suspension. Suspension is the major drawback,
Okay.
as well as seating position. That means seat material what they have used. This is also drawback. That
Okay.
means this is too spongy,
Okay.
too soft.
Okay.
If you observe this thing with the electrical, not electrical bike.
With the technician.
I went to
With the
technician
petrol
also
bike,
with a
compared with
petrol
petrol
bike.
bike seat.
Compared with the petrol bike seat, so you can observe more softiness.
Okay.
That means this much of soft, not suitable for sitting.
Okay.
That means what are the conditions they tested? I don't know. That
Okay.
means without any up and down they may test it.
Okay.
So for that condition, all these are suitable.
Okay.
But in our real life conditions, these are not suitable.
Okay.
If you observe petrol bikes, there are a lot of changes. The lot of comparisons also we can observe within these electrical and petrol bikes.
Okay.
So the main thing is suspension. If you observe suspension, there is no cushion. That
Okay.
means if you without any passengers. If you push down this one at the back side, so it will bump like this.
Okay.
So actually that should not happen.
Okay.
Why? Because if you see petrol bikes, there may be a cushion is there.
Okay.
There is a cushion is there. That means slow down cushion is there.
Okay.
That is because of air pressure. What the suspension they gave, that is not useful for real life conditions.
Okay. So tell us about the dashboard of this ePluto 7G.
Dashboard, this is also major drawback. If you see in daylight, you can't observe any speed, like speedometer, odometer, whatever it may be. You can't observe that one in daylight condition. So in night time you can see clearly.
Okay.
This is also major drawback. They have to upgrade. Actually, they told us they have updated,
Okay.
but this one not updated. Still, they are doing some work on this dashboard.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the positives you have observed in ePluto 7G?
So main positive is the main thing is a range as well as motor also. What the range they told, this is giving that range.
Okay.
That means nearly when you are using all the three modes, eco, city, sports mode,
Okay.
you can simply get more than 110, like 100 also,
Okay.
105 also.
Okay.
So another one also look like a Vespa.
Okay.
So many people they are asking, is it Vespa electric bike? Like that they are asking. Why? Because this is they wrote like that ePluto 7G.
Okay.
So till now so many people observed 6G only,
Okay.
Activa 6G only. So 7G means they are telling like that 7G means electric na. So is it electric bike like Vespa model like that they are asking.
So tell us about the braking of this ePluto 7G.
So braking also one of the major thing when you are taking any electrical bike.
Okay.
So in this you can observe front side disc and rear side drum brake.
Okay.
So both are working perfectly.
Okay.
So one time I already fallen also. So why? Because suddenly I pressed the front brake with confusion.
Okay.
So it is working perfectly.
So what about the LED? I mean, it comes with LED headlight and tail lamps. What is the visibility at night time?
The main thing, one thing I want to tell. So it is made in India, but the parts what they are importing from China, mainly China. I think so.
Okay.
So I don't know. I am not criticizing anyone. Why? Because if you observe this model,
Okay.
so same model you can observe in Tunwal,
Okay.
in some other companies also.
Okay.
So same model.
Okay.
But what they did now, Pure Energy people, what they did means they took somewhat quality materials
Okay.
in the same range and same model. So if you see switches and horn switch, whatever the switches also, if you observe,
Okay.
all those things like working like China models. That means if you want to press so much push, you have to give.
Okay.
So I think so. These are imported from China,
Okay.
in my point of view, except motor and patented battery.
So what about the power bill you're getting? The battery is actually 2.5 kilowatt hour lithium ion. So did you observe any change in your power bill?
Yeah, actually, so many people they have some negative thought regarding electrical bikes.
Okay.
Why? Because if you spent 1,000 rupees on petrol,
Okay.
so nearly 500 rupees you have to pay for electricity.
Okay.
So they are thinking like that,
Okay.
but that is not right. So I purchased this one on September 28th.
Okay.
So after 15 days usage, we got power bill.
Okay.
So last power bill what we got na 543 rupees.
Okay.
So after that we got 553.
Okay.
So for 15 days I put charging in my home only.
Okay.
So for daily commute I used nearly 100 kilometers, nearly 90, above 90 only.
Okay.
So only 10 rupees change. Maybe some equipment did not use. Apart from that, if you see for daily usage, 2.5 kilowatt battery. That means 2.5 units.
Okay.
Per unit, if you see charges, in urban area 2 rupees 80 paisa.
Okay.
In rural area maybe 1 rupee 80 paisa.
Okay.
So if you see like 3 units,
Okay.
3 rupees per unit. 3 3s are 9. 9 rupees into 30.
Okay.
Okay na. So 9 rupees into 30 means 270 rupees. So nearly 300 rupees if you observe.
Okay.
So per month nearly I use it to drive 3,000 kilometers.
Okay.
So 3,000 kilometers means so per kilometer 2 rupees charge.
Okay.
My previous bike is Apache 160 RTR, 45 kilometers range.
Okay.
So sorry, not range,
Mileage.
mileage.
Okay.
For electrical bike, we have to say range. So if you observe that one, there I have to spend at least 6,000 rupees. So
Okay.
here I have to spend only 300 rupees.
Okay.
A lot of change is there.
Okay.
So I will definitely say that you can choose electrical bike.
What about the performance of ePluto 7G in rain and water?
Yeah, in rain also you can drive simply here without any disturbance, without any fear also you can drive. So even though if you see up to the seat level also water is coming means you can drive safely.
Okay.
There is no leakage of water into the motor. So in nowadays we are getting BLDC motors dust proof as well as waterproof also. You no need to fear.
Okay.
So why? Because already I drove. That's why I'm telling.
So what kind of service does Pure EV offering for ePluto 7G? Are you satisfied with the service offering from them?
Yeah. That is also major thing when you are choosing electrical bike. So if you see Pure Energy, lot more branches are there.
Okay.
A lot more dealerships are also there.
Okay.
So within my 70 kilometers range, I have nearly 4 to 5 dealerships.
Okay.
That means 4 to 5 branches we have. Actually, they are giving 4 services free. That
Okay.
means per 1000 kilometer, for 4000 kilometers, per 10,000 kilometers, as well as per 30,000 kilometers.
Okay.
So they are giving 4 services free. After that, they will give some other services up to 10 to 12 services. They will give
Okay.
up to 1 lakh. So all these 4 services are free. When I went to first service, I told them to please change my suspension.
Okay.
Why? Because I am getting back pain. So I told them my problem. I told to them.
Okay.
So they simply change without taking any single rupee.
Okay.
So yes, for us, even though if you see in service mode, you can simply choose this one,
Okay.
ePluto 7G.
So they are giving some good service.
Yeah,
for
good
you.
service. Good service they are giving. They are not taking any money also.
So Mr. Satish, please tell me, will you suggest ePluto 7G? Who are the customers interested to buy ePluto 7G? Will you suggest this electric scooter? To
Yeah, definitely I will suggest. Why? Because first of all, first thing is economically, if you see, it is coming under the 90,000 rupees.
Okay.
That means if you see Avera Retrosa, 1,25,000 rupees. It is giving 145 kilometers range. If you see Ether Energy, either 450 or 450X, they are telling like 1,45,000 rupees, 1,55,000 rupees.
Okay.
So if you compare this one, this ePluto 7G with the Ether 450, so that means half of the price is cutting down.
So you are more interested in price range.
Yeah, more interested in price range as well as performance also.
Okay.
So if you observe the performance, what the range they told, 120 kilometers they are giving.
Okay.
So mostly who are buying the electrical bike, most of the people they go through the economical range only.
Okay.
So that's why if you observe the 85 to 90,000 rupees, that is the main thing. Another one is also range.
Okay.
120 kilometers it is giving. If you observe if you use all the 3 modes, it will give you definitely 110 kilometers.
Okay.
So those are the 2 things which pushes you to buy the ePluto 7G.
Okay.
So another thing is branches.
Okay.
So many branches are there in between around you.
Okay.
So you can simply buy ePluto 7G.
So finally, my last question to you is, you have an idea like before buying an electric vehicle, you might have several doubts buying an electric vehicle. So after using an electric vehicle, what's your opinion? And before you purchase this vehicle, what's your opinion? Does it change?
Yeah. Actually, one thing I have to tell you. Before I want to buy an electric bike, so I told to my father, I want to buy one electrical bike. Why? Because I am running nearly 100 kilometers up and down.
Okay.
So it is nearly 6,000 rupees spending money is there.
Okay.
That is lost to my salary. So I want to buy one electrical bike. So I want to save all these monies by using electrical bike. My father told that if you observe electrical bike, those electrical bikes won't move fastly. That means even a bicycle person also will cross you.
Okay.
So like that. That means those are all old persons. They have some idea related to electrical bikes means. So electrical bikes runs only in eco mode, like
Okay.
only in slow mode only they will run.
They think it's very slow.
Very, very slow.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I told to my father, okay, father, we will go to branch and we will test drive.
Okay.
After that, if you say same thing, I don't buy the electrical bike.
Okay.
So we went to a branch,
Okay.
Pure EV branch. We drove the test drive,
Okay.
and my father told that okay, definitely you can you can definitely buy.
Okay.
In previous thing, what we have saw the electrical bikes in our days, those are all slow moving bikes.
Okay.
These are running like a powerful petrol bikes.
Okay.
These are crossing every bike and every lorry also. Yeah, you can definitely buy like that. He told within by standing only, by giving my a credit card, I purchased this one
Okay.
without any money. I purchased this one.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's a complete review of ePluto 7G from Mr. Satish. Go green, go electric.
Electricvehicles.in motto is keeping the earth a safer place to live for the next generations. If you want to join our movement, you can support simply subscribing to our channel or sharing our videos or commenting on videos. Thanks for watching.